Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. If you want to make your own electricity via solar panels, solar pool heater, or make your own solar hot air, it's all in the links down below. And you can get started one solar panel at a time, one paycheck at a time. Today we are at Kalamazoo Air Museum, and I'm going to bring you great videos, whether it's solar or not. So this is dedicated to Green Bay Wacky. And this is the USS Wisconsin. So this is a replica scale model. It's huge. They got all kinds. It's behind glass, so you're gonna get some glare. Look at the big guns. That thing is massive. There's not a lot of detail on it. It's unbelievable. They don't have enough little boats on there. Look at all those intricate little tiny guns. But you know those are all twin 50 cals. They're not little. They just look little on the scale model. Big guns everywhere. And two seaplanes. All right, Green Bay Wacky, that one's for you. See what we have here. USS Wisconsin, BB-04, launched 1943, 887 foot. It looks like 50,000 tons. It's like, if I can see through the glass, there's glare. 1/96 scale model. All right, Green Bay Wacky, there you go. Have a nice sunny day.